Let's get out your X10. I'm waiting for that to beep. All right. So today we're going to do X10 and X12. Some of you didn't do the quiz. We'll make sure that you get that done. But we're going to do notes X10 and X12 today. So let's start with X10. Identify terms and coefficients. So terms are separated by the addition or subtraction. By the definition, it just says addition because we always change subtracting to adding the opposite, okay? And the coefficient is the number part of a variable term. So you're going to be asked questions similar to this. So it says how many terms are in this expression. There's the 6 is a term and the 9K is a term. So there are 2 terms in the expression. Number 2, it's asking how many terms are in the expression. Three. We have the 4, the 2K, and the N. So there are 3 terms in the expression. Now, number 3, it's saying, what is the coefficient? Remember, the coefficient is the number part, okay? But it's saying, what is the coefficient of the second term in the expression? Our second term is 10t squared. So what is the number part? What is the coefficient? The number in front of our letter. It is 10. Okay, so that's the coefficient. Number 4, which of the following are terms in the expression? So you have this expression, and it's asking which of these is a term in this expression. So circle the ones that are terms. Which ones do you think are terms? So when I look at the 3D here, yep, 3D. 8C, do I have an 8C? Yep. 2, do I have a 2? I have a 2B. I'm going to guess there was supposed to be a plus there, but anyways, there was a 2. But it's a 2B. It's not the same as 2. Okay, 2B, it's not the same as B. And if you go ahead and my typo, put a plus on there, because there should be a plus there, there's a space there. And then the last part, 2B, is a term because it's plus 2B. Try to change that. Okay, questions on that one? All right, so which of the following are terms in the expression? Select all that apply. So go ahead, which terms? This is another example of where you need to understand subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. Because if we rewrite this expression, it's 2x plus a negative 5. Okay, so 2. I don't have just a 2 here all by itself. I don't have a plus 2. Okay, I have a 2x, but that's not the same as 2. 2x, 2x, the 5. No, some people might have thought I had a 5 if they looked at it here. but it's not. It's -5, which is the same as a -5. So it's the -5. It's very important that you understand that. Understand that difference. Okay, questions? All right, what is the coefficient of the third term? I'm surprised that is a question because immediately I'm looking at it, there isn't a coefficient. Because we don't, to have a coefficient, the number part of a variable term. It has to be a variable term, okay? So I might have forgot a letter, I don't know. What is the coefficient of the third term? Maybe one of the options is there are none. I don't remember, okay? I did it so long ago. But coefficient of this term is 2. The coefficient of this term is -4. Remember, this is 2x squared plus a -4x plus a -5. Okay, the coefficient here is -4. This is not a coefficient. This doesn't have a coefficient because it's not a variable term. Number 7. All right, so even though there isn't a number written in front, you need to understand that y is the same as 1y. A shoe, 1 shoe, same thing. A shoe, 1 shoe, same thing. Y, 1y, same thing. So what is the coefficient? Even though there isn't a 1 written there, it's supposed to be understood. It's 1, y. Okay, so the coefficient would be 1. All right, take 5 to 7 minutes to work on IXL 10.
Can I go in this way, please?
No. Because in 7 minutes, we're going to go right back to the notes. Then you'll be able to.
You sure I could use these?
If somebody comes across a question like this, where it's asking for a coefficient of a non-variable term, I'd appreciate if you raise your hand so I can see the question to see if this is a typo or if it is legitimate.